video. Can you tell us what's happening?
You do it.
All right. So it's January 2nd, 2018. And for Christmas, my parents got me a 3D printer. It costs $200, about $250. 3D printers have been around for a few years, but they're finally mass market, like consumer available. And so this is my first 3D printer, and this is our first time ever, my first time ever using one. Eliot used one in computer camp last summer, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we are, let me show you. We are printing it through this program here. This TV is connected to our computer, so. And it said we're going to make a small cube out of this red filament, and it's supposed to take about an hour to make a small red cube. And we're printing it kind of low quality, and it still takes an hour. And let's see. And here's our other spools. We have white, gray,
silver.
and blue, or white, silver, and blue. Okay.
That looks like the rebellion symbol.
Yes, it does. Okay, let's look and see if anything started coming
You're
out.
just like, yes, it does.
Nothing's coming out yet, is it? Oh, it's moving.
I think something came out. It's making noises. What's happening?
Don't touch it, whatever you do. It keeps moving, but not doing anything.
It says that it is warming up.
Really?
Uh-huh.
So
it's about to start doing something.
Can you please do not unplug it while I was printing? If you. Oh yeah, it does say warming up. Boom, right there.
This is, quote unquote, in the words of Dad, this is a monumental moment.
And Eliot and I were talking about what 3D printing might be like when he's my age. And what idea did you have, Eliot?
Food?
Well, you said like put a lollipop in it and something else would come out.
But food is already being 3D printed. I think that's already a thing.
Yeah. But it's not like you print a chicken leg. It's like
It's coming out!
Okay. Wow, that is so slow. Is it still coming out?
No.
Now it is.
It's actually starting to create a cube.
Ooh, so cool. So Eliot and I were thinking in the future you'll take your trash and put it into the 3D printer, and the 3D printer will kind of disintegrate it into elements, and then it'll use those elements to make whatever you want to print. So we'll change our garbage into our objects. And every room will have one, so when you're in your room and you need a pen or something, or I don't know, a hamburger.
And there'll just be this cup that goes down, and when it comes back up, there'll be the object that you want.
It's like the Star Trek replicator is finally real.
Except it's not replicating anything, it's just creating something.
So Eliot, do we want to record this for the next hour?
No.
You want to go play ping pong?
Yeah.
Okay.